Good afternoon, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, yes, it's Tuesday, March the 5th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested, the 4 Stars Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, on this Super Tuesday, yes, the election is started in the US. I will continue with this 4 Stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 8129. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually, the 4 Stars Sudoku has 24. And I need 30 minutes or more for a 4 Stars Sudoku. But it has usually 24, but this one has 25, so should be a 3 stars puzzle. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 4 stars Sudoku? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. Let me start with the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then need a 1 here. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Then, let me think. 5, need a 5 here. Yep. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have 5 and a 9 in this column. So no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. So, 2, 8, 7. So these 3 missing numbers are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. Alright. 8, 8, 8, 8. The 8 here. Yeah. Thinking. The 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5. It should be there. Yeah. 9. 5. 9. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 3 here. I need to think hard here. 9, 7. Yeah. This one is not easy. 5. Okay. Not easy. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. Need a 5 here. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in this first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Come on, come on, come on. This is 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, okay. Need a 5 here. Okay, then need a 5 here. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. In the last column, one of the missing number in the last column is number 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here can be a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. So the 5 in the last column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, there are only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there, so the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be here. Not the 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6, 6, okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 3 goes there. And we have a pair, I believe. Yeah, 3 and a 6 in this row. 3 and a 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this row. For the 1, the 2 is missing. So here, 7 and 8, okay. Then. Need a 1 here, 7, 8, then I need a... Yeah, need a 2 here. How about 2, 2, need a 6, need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the rest of 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Here also 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Oh, 8, 2, 2. So we need a 2 here. Here can be 2, 2, 2. 2. Come on. 4, 8, 8. 2. Ooh. 2, 6, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 3. So we have 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 3 places left. The 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 in that row, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay, and now, well. Yeah, 3. Oh wait, need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3, 2, 8, and the 7, 2, 8, 7, 8, and need a 7 here. Okay, how about here? 7 and the 4, 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Well, about the 6 then. 6. 6, 2, 3. 6, 2, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 there, okay. How about? Do we have all the 5s? Yes. 3s. Yeah. 4s. 4, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left. The 4 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 8, and the 1. Okay. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left. I believe the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6 are missing. 2 and the 6. We have a pair here. Cannot fill this yet. Then 2. 2. Well, 2, 7, 8. Ay. 7. Come on. 2, 6. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, and 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left, and 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 7 and 8 in this big square. We have 8 now in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. On there we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here. On there we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. A 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1. No. Yeah, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square from us. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish 16 minutes. 1 less than the previous Sudoku and the same time. Yeah, we solved it again. Well, 2 stars, not the 3 stars, not the 4 stars. We solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third and last regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.